Hi all of you, back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create container, how to make container without getting in that container. Okay, just keep it running in background. So let me show you that. So for that, let me just copy this IP, and now let me just log into my server ec2-user. So now it's time to change appearance. Okay, let me change first size should be 26 is good, and font should be this unispace. Color should be for today because I am teaching Docker, so that's why I should take this aqua color which relates to Docker. Let me log in as root user. Now it's time to first start the service, okay, of Docker. Service start Docker. The service command supports only basic LSB action: start, stop, restart. Okay. Let me see Docker. Let me see Docker images cannot connect to Docker. Sir, okay. My command is wrong. Service Docker start. That is service Docker start. Okay. I think this is the right command. Yes, this is the right command. Now let me see first images. These all are my images, and let me see all containers docker ps-a, as you all know. Okay, these are my containers. So let me just clear again. Let me see docker ps, because it shows only running container, so that's why it is not showing any container. So let me show you the command. What is command? Okay, so command is docker. Command is same, just little bit change in that command. Docker run hyphen, instead of it you have to write td. Okay, because it means interactive. When you write here it, the moment you run the command you will enter in that container, but in this after running this command you will not enter the container, so the container will run in the background. Okay, so by running this command you can see that as well. Hyphen td. Now it's time to write hyphen name, hyphen name, whatever name you want to write. Let me write something like background. Let me write name of my container now, background. Okay, background. And now it's time to write the OS which I want to use, or the image from which I want to uh, create this container. Okay, so I will write here CentOS for now. Okay, CentOS. Now again your bin /bash. Okay, unable to find CentOS. Now you can see that it is pulling from Docker Hub. Now you can see that it is pulling from the library of Docker, which is your Docker Hub. So let it pull first, and now you can see that I am not in my container. Now as you can see that this is my container ID, but I am not in my container. But if I run this command again, let me first clear the screen for you all. If I run this command, okay, this one, okay, now it is showing your container is running, okay, up for 17 seconds. Okay, so this is the difference between your docker it and docker td. If I run docker run hyphen it and your anything, your name should be like anything bg. Let me write not bg, let me write enter. The name of the container is my enter, docker run hyphen it, name enter. Now you have to use OS. Let me write here CentOS. Again your bin and your bash. Okay, bash. So now you can see that I am in my container. Okay, now I am in my container, but before when I use hyphen td it is running in the background. Okay, so this is the difference between your IT and your TD. I think you all are now familiar with this command as well. Just practice this command, and this will help you in learning Kubernetes. Okay, because after finishing this Docker, I will start my Kubernetes series. Okay, basic Kubernetes. So yeah, that is about for today. I think this much is enough. I think this I just want to show you. So I will be meet you in my next video.
ਔਰ ਰੋਕਿਆ ਤੈਥੋਂ ਰੁਕਣੇ ਨੀ, ਜੋਰ ਲਾ ਲਈ ਝੁਕਣੇ